What's up YouTube, it's Louis here. I hope you're all well. Today we're looking at Matic Polygon on the daily time frame and we'll go from there. So we can see we're still holding this swing high over here. It was previous support with wicks, can you see? Let's zoom in a little. You were holding it as support multiple times, actually had a lot of emotional swings here. So very negative. Of course, this was the start of May, so emotional swings. This is what you want to see at the end of a bull market basically. But obviously if Bitcoin was doing something like this, sorry, that's the fridge, I don't know why it's doing that, but yeah, if Bitcoin was doing something like this right now, then I'd be even more certain that, yeah, we would actually be going into a monthly bear market. But at the moment, we're still in a monthly bull market. If you've heard me over the last few weeks or so say we're in a bear market, I'd basically mean we're in a downtrend on the highest of time frames, the weekly, the daily. So technically, you are in a bear market on the daily, the weekly, the 4 hour, the 1 hour, but in a larger monthly bull market. So it's hard to understand. I understand that, guys, but yeah, let's go from here. You can see we were holding this as support, a little fake out down to around $1. So basically, if we ever do lose $1.56, we could see Polygon head down to $1. This is what the previous chart has shown, and so history tends to rhyme, doesn't it? So you can see here, you failed to get above $1.55, and then where'd you roll down to $1? At the moment, you're holding $1.55. You have had a little spike down with a wick, just like we did here, where you actually got back above the $1.55 and continued up. Now, if we were to lose $1.55, then we're obviously going to fill in this wick and eventually go to $1. This is something we've been saying on the channel for a long while now. And the reason is because when you fall out of a rising wedge, your technical target is the bottom of the wedge down here at 69 cents, but you would basically retrace to each low point. So you've come up, made a lower high, lower low. Where was your first point of contact? Right there. So you've come down and obviously went down a little bit, but we're holding that level with the candlestick bodies. You can see this box. I can actually drag it back and you can see it's exactly that box, that area that we're holding. I'm actually going to leave this on the chart right now so it's always clear for you guys. This box, as you can see over here, is also the golden pocket. So it's interesting because it's acting as confluence. How did we get this 050 where we came down to here and we had a pump up, and we've got that pump, and we're now trying to see where we're going to fall to for continuation upwards, and you fall exactly to the golden pocket. It's very nice to see that the golden pocket is also this area of support as well, and resistance, of course. And we know, looking into the past, that if we do lose this level, then we tend to come down eventually to the $1. Even if you do just come down to this in the short term, you can see you'll have a bounce, get rejected by a new resistance, and continue down to our true support, $1. A nice psychological level, and this is why it makes sense to come down to here. Not only that, if you do lose this, you create that reversal wave minimal to the 1. Yes, you can bounce from the 1 and get back above this, and you wouldn't see further downside, something like this where we lose it, get above, hold it as support, and continue. That would be nice. You could see that would be a daily double bottom as well. If that comes, that would be amazing for an entry point right there, but we need to see what the reaction is from here. We may come up to the 618, reject it, and then roll over to our $1 target, lining up with the 1618 as well. And this would make sense, guys, because you can see something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 final wave down, and that's what we're waiting for. We need 5 waves to the downside. At the moment, personally, what I see is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might be completely wrong. This might be the start of wave 1. I might be completely wrong. Some people may say this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. But the reason I don't believe that's correct is because wave 3 must be the largest wave, and you can see if this was wave 3, then wave 5 is way larger. So this is why I think that this is wave 1, wave 2 pullback, and this is wave 3, your largest wave, and this is wave 4 pullback, coming back to the EMAs for rejection, and then continuation to the downside, because wave 5 can be the similar length of wave 1 or wave 2. So wave 1 or wave 3, my apologies. So it's going to either be this size or this size, the next wave down. So it tends to be wave 1, but it can be as long as wave 3, and that could maybe even take us even just a little bit lower. But I am looking at this 1618 target, and I am expecting a bounce. If with this bounce you get above the 1, then we could be good for continuation and we're out of this dip completely. But if you then come back to the 1 and hold it as resistance, then chances are you could be looking at these technical targets down here, and maybe even a wick down to our 69 cent target out of the rising wedge. Now, please go and check my Bitcoin video, guys. If you enjoyed the content that I'm bringing you, the effort that I'm putting into this, then please go ahead and support the channel. It's a must to grow the channel and get these videos out to like-minded people like us. So please like, subscribe, of course, comment, even turn the notification bell if you can. Also, follow me on my Twitter, at Louis_crypto, and turn the notification bell on for there. Please go ahead and check out today's Bitcoin update. I basically had a little short trade yesterday with the technical target being met, so TP was met. And yeah, just a little insight on how I'm actually personally trading. If you're interested in how I'm personally trading, then go ahead and join the course, or go ahead and join the mentorship if the chat is not of your interest anyway. So yeah, if I'm going to bring you guys over to the crypto packages now. Thank you guys for watching. Guys, these are my crypto packages. We offer 3. The first one we'll talk about is the one-on-one mentorship. In the one-on-one mentorship, you get the crypto course and the signals chat for free until the top of the bull market. You will have the crypto course for the rest of your life. So for £650, you're getting one-on-one mentorship video call lessons every day for about an hour, 2 hours for a 1 month period. This, we will look to finish all the lessons within that month period. If we don't, we can go over, but a maximum cut-off point at 2 months. Of course, we have the crypto course as well included. So after each one-on-one mentorship lesson, I would ask for you to obviously cover the course, so you get everything knuckled down and you're confident moving on to the next lesson, so we can cover that next topic. If you can't understand that topic, then we won't move on from it until you understand it. But again, we need to finish everything within a month, a maximum a 2 month period. So you don't need any prior knowledge for this. I will basically 10x your learning curve. You can already be an advanced trader, or without any knowledge prior. I'm here to 10x your learning curve and to turn you into a self-sufficient trader who doesn't need to rely on any outsider knowledge. You don't need YouTube, you don't need my help. This is what the main point of the mentorship is. I'm here giving up my own time, my own trading time, to help you and turn you into a self-sufficient trader. So if that's not enough with all 3 together in the mentorship, then we can just do the 6-hour crypto course. It's much cheaper for £250, and you also get the Discord group chat for free included until the top of the bull market, but you will have the course for the rest of your life. Now, if that's not what you're interested in and you're just interested in the group chat, basically what we do here, I wouldn't call it signals basically, because again, none of this here is financial advice. It's all for educational purposes only. And that's why in this chat, I'm basically feeling the sentiment of the market and basically posting it in the chat, whether I think the market is going up or down, where I think I would sell, where I think I'm going to buy, and of course, when I take trades. This is what's included in the chat. And of course, it's £25 for your first month and £40 onwards. You can leave at any point, just let me know so we don't roll over the payment. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for listening. Again, if you're interested, then please at me on my Twitter, Louis_crypto, and I'll private message you as soon as I get your message. Thank you guys for listening and supporting the channel. Please like, subscribe, comment what you think is going to happen with the crypto next, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.